We're out at the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This available Bloomfield home has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. Coming in the entryway, your 8-foot door has inset frosted glass, bringing in natural light, preserving privacy to the front yard. Off of that, you have double doors into the front study. Windows looking out to the front yard as well as the side yard. And over here, you have Cat 6 and coax connections. Next to that, you have a nook next to your stairs. Opposite of that, you have your mud space, cubbies above, hooks, a seat, and storage below. Through here is your 2-car garage with your tankless water heater over here. Let's go back in. Flowing into the main living space. Over here, you have 3 large windows looking out to the backyard. Along this wall, you have Cat 6 and coax connections along with your power. Next to your fireplace, tile surrounding, modern mantle going all the way up. Around this way, it flows into your kitchen with this angled island. Your dishwasher is on the left of your single basin sink. Over here is your fridge space, next to your 4-burner stove with the updraft. Over here is your microwave and oven with a storage drawer below. Flowing into the walk-in pantry. Plenty of space over here. Nice recess under the stairs. And plenty of shelving. Coming back out next to your microwave and oven is where they put the trash pullout. Makes this really easy when you have a party going on and everybody's flowing through the kitchen. As you're washing dishes over here, they're not trying to get around you to the trash pullout. They're able to go around to the other side and then bring them to the sink. Plenty of counter space with storage above and below. And that flows into the dining space, windows surrounding, with the door out to your covered patio having the inset blinds. Opposite of the kitchen, you have your hall half bath. And that flows in past these double doors into the primary suite. Window seat along the windows out to your side yard. And through these double doors, you enter the primary bathroom. Tiles surrounding this deep tub with privacy glass. And your step-in shower, tile all the way to the ceiling with a bench seat. Opposite of the shower is your toilet room. And at the end, it flows into the primary walk-in closet. Plenty of racks and shelves all around. As we head upstairs, the floor color ties in with the banister. At the first landing, you have power, as well as windows lighting up the area. And then this landing opens up to your game room, windows along the corner, and a workstation over here. You have your Cat 6 and power ready for you to set up your workspace with a window out letting you look out to your front yard. This way, you can see with the overlook to the stairwell, your chandelier. Opposite of that, you have a linen closet right across from your laundry room. Cabinets above. Through here, double doors into the first upstairs bedroom. 3 good-sized windows out to the side yard with a window seat. That flows into your ensuite sink space. with your walk-in closet, racks and shelves all the way around. That flows into the connected shared toilet and tub shower space. And then into the next connected ensuite sink space. The window here looks out to the backyard, flowing into the next upstairs bedroom with a second window over here. On the opposite wall, you have your walk-in closet. That wraps around to the end of the hall that goes back over to the game room. Along the hall past where we entered the connected bedrooms, there's an additional hall full bath, double sinks, flowing into the toilet and tub shower space. Opposite of the hall full bath is the next upstairs bedroom, window out to the side, and double doors into the closet. At the end of the hall, you have a corner closet with shelves. Then at the very end is the last upstairs bedroom, window out to the backyard, and then double doors into the closet. Let's head out to the backyard. Stepping out to your covered patio. Along this wall, you have power. It opens up to your lawn space, tree planted in this corner. If this home and community interests you and you want to know more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality.
The Painted Tree community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. This is the Lakeside Trailhead, which is still under development. It's estimated to be completed later this year. Over at the Village Trailhead, you can find this pool with the great sun shelf in multiple levels, with these loungers to relax and soak up the sun. Back at the Outpost, they have gathering spaces, a food truck court, outdoor adventure park, playgrounds, and 2 trailheads. They also stock their 20-acre lake with fish. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the highly sought-after McKinney Independent School District